Okay, today I'm going to show you how to take photos in your phone and format them into a perfectly sized collage for Instagram stories really easily using the free app called InShot. So you just need to download InShot. This is the home screen. You're going to go to Collage, and then you select the photos that you want to use. So I'm going to use this picture and this picture. So you're just selecting the photos in this screen. Once you have the photos that you want, hit this check button. The really important button is canvas. So you want to change it. It's going to automatically be a 1:1 square ratio. You want to change it to the 9:16, which is formatted for Instagram stories. So don't worry about the photos here yet. Just click that 9:16, hit the check mark. Then you want to go into layout. So there's a lot of really cool options here where it's going to arrange the collage like you want it. I want it just like this actually. So you can zoom in and out from here really easily. Move this around a little bit. If you need to swap the photos, just click it and then hit swap. But I wanted it how it was, so I'm going to swap it back. There's a lot of other things you can do in here, but this is the most basic and easy way to do it quickly. From here, once you have it how you like it, just hit this export button, and it's going to automatically save to your camera roll right here. So then from there, you can go on to Instagram, select here, and then add your text. So check out our new rustic blooms planner. So that's just a really easy, quick way to take your photos from a more horizontal size to be perfectly formatted with that free app InShot.